Probability. How likely something is going to happen. Many events can't be predicted with total certainty. The best we can say is how likely they are to happen, using the idea of probability.
When a coin is tossed, there are two possible outcomes, heads or tails. We say that the probability of the coin landing heads is half, and the probability of the coin landing tails is half. When a single die is thrown, there are 6 possible outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The probability of any one of them is 1 out of 6. Let's do an experiment or a trial with our die. An experiment or a trial is an action where the result is uncertain. Tossing a coin, throwing dice, seeing what pizza people choose are all examples of experiments or trials. For example, the chance of rolling a 4 with a die is 1 over 6. We can record our expected results of what we think is going to happen and our actual results of what actually has happened on a probability line. When dealing with experiments that are random, like tossing a coin, we can use a tally to record our results. The results of a coin toss are random and will be different for every person. Statistics, the method of collecting and analysing data. We can see this and use graphs, tables, surveys, etc. to represent the collected information. When summarising data, we ask you, the student, to draw conclusions from your results. Previously, we recorded and collected the amount of times heads or tails occurred when flipping a coin using a tally and tally marks. Let's see how we can display this. To display our data, we are drawing a column graph. First, we draw the vertical axis, which is the line going straight up, and the horizontal axis, which is the line going straight across. We have to ensure we label and name our vertical and horizontal axes. Equal spacing and a title are all important features of a column graph to ensure our data is not misleading. Besides using a tally graph like we did for our coin toss, there are other methods for data collection. Another way you could collect data is through the use of a survey. A survey uses questions and answers to gain feedback and results on a particular question. For example, you could do a survey on the class's favourite colour. If I was to answer the question, my answer would be pink. What would yours be?